truck bed liners reinforce the bottom of your truck bed against dings, scratches, and other long-term damage. By acting as a protective barrier, you can maintain your truck's health, protect its appearance, and even enhance its resale value. When choosing the best liner for your truck, there are a variety of factors to consider such as removability, longevity, and ease of cleaning. There are many options, from roll-on and spray-on liners to drop-in and slide-in liners. Each has their own pros and cons with a wide variety of price points. We found 6 good truck bed liners that cover most of the bases. 1. U-Pole Raptor. People who install truck bed liners for a living will feel right at home with the U-Pole Raptor Black Urethane Truck Bed Liner Kit. 4 liters of bed liner and an included spray gun make application easy. Drying is quick. 1 hour, with full curing for light-duty use in 2 to 3 days and heavy-duty use in a week. The resulting finish is scratch, corrosion and UV resistant. 2. Rust-Oleum 340455-6 PK Truck Bed Turbo. This single can of spray and bed liner is perfect for beginners looking for the simplest solution. There's no mixing or additional equipment needed. The formula is a paint and primer in one, reducing the amount of prep work required. What makes this can stand out is the oversized spray nozzle that lets you cover your truck bed 4 times faster than other aerosol cans. Once applied, you'll appreciate the quick drying time, with it being safe for touch in just an hour. 3. Herculiner Brush-On Kit. The liner included with the Herculiner Brush-On Kit has a tough, textured polyurethane formula that's stronger than most water-based liners. Herculiner claims its coat is 5 times thicker than other liners. Included with this DIY kit is a gallon of Herculiner liner, an application brush, 2 rollers, a roller handle, and an abrasive pad for clearing up scrapes and tough spots before applying. This truck bed coating is skid-resistant and prevents rust, corrosion, and more from damaging your vehicle. 4. Bedrug Full Bed Liner. It's built to mold to the entire interior of the truck bed without compromising tie-down hooks and other attachments. Because it has a padded carpet texture, the bedrug liner is easy on hands and knees. It also features a built-in hinge between the bed and tailgate that prevents debris from collecting over time. 5. Resilia Truck Bed Liner. The Resilia Truck Bed Liner is made with PVC vinyl that's waterproof and scratch-resistant. The PVC doesn't contain any Prop 65 materials and contains recycled materials, making this mat a more environmentally friendly choice than its competitors. This mat will not blow away in high wind conditions thanks to its heavy weight. Due to its small size, the Resilia mat can be rolled and stored away when not in use. It can be easily maintained with the occasional water rinse, too. 6. Rust-Oleum Pro Grade Truck Bed Liner Kit. The Rust-Oleum Pro Grade Truck Bed Liner Kit is a durable and easy-to-apply solution to protect your truck bed from rust, abrasion, and water damage. With its epoxy formula and cross-linking technology, this kit can cover up to 100 square feet per kit and provide maximum durability to extend your truck's service life. The textured finish also provides an anti-skid surface for your cargo beds, ramps, and running boards.